Got King here, guys, visiting with his dad. That's his dad over there. Hi, King's dad. Residents of this, he'll tell me that they know King for about 25 to 26 years. Rainy just hit Petunia. Come here, Petunia. Yes, and they tell me they know King's dad now for quite a few years. He lives around the Gladewood Park area, and the residents there in Daisy Hill, they have families of 14 or 15 king parrots in their trees. So King belongs to Gladewood, around Gladewood Park area, and yeah, so him and his dad, they're well known over there. And they believe his dad is only about a year or two older than him.